What is up, guys? JD here. Hope you're doing well today. We're going to be doing a plate swap on my MMP 2.0. All right, guys. So not a mod, nothing illegal. Basically, I'm taking the optic plate that came with the core, and I'm going to test out the DPP titanium adapter plate for optic ready core systems. So we're going to start by getting a fresh T8 bit. And all the hardware and everything that I use is linked down below. And just for YouTube's intent and purposes, no mag, no rounds. We are in the clear. So I have an extension with a T8. I can't remember if this is T8 or T10. It's been a minute. Yeah, I think this is, T8. Let me just double check that. Feels a little loose. Might be a T10. Yeah, it's a T10. Am I glad that didn't strip? Am I glad that did not strip? So I'm going to swap over to my Ultim bit driver and make sure that I use the proper bit for the other bolt that's on here. And I probably will just recenter it. And then tomorrow, I cannot see a darn thing. And then tomorrow, I will go out on lunch. That was a little loose. Oh, goodness. And make sure that my centering worked. Now, I did recently pick up a bore scope, bore red dot. So it accomplishes two things. One, I get rid of the plastic bore plate, which I've had no issues with. So this is just more for peace of mind to update. Now, the DPP system, I did scope it out beforehand. I don't know why I put it back in the box. Oh, I didn't know. I did that for demonstration purposes. It does come with additional hardware, but the plate thickness is really not all that different than the plate that came on here. Let me just throw some fresh lube on real quick. Give me a chance to clean everything while I'm here. Is this? Let me check something real fast. Anyway, as I was saying, we are going to be replacing the plastic one with the titanium one. And what I love about the core is it has the little guides here. And then, oh, I forgot to put a little bit of lube back on it. I don't think it needs much. I'm going to leave the lube there for the red dot as well. But it is all titanium construction, which I do love about it. And I am just going to, same thing, just to ensure nothing sticks. Put the red dot on the new mounting plate. And then going to hang on to that for just 1 second. I'm going to put just a little bit of thread locker, and I do recommend 48 hours. If you're doing this, I do recommend 48 hours for the cure period for your thread locker. And that's just to make sure it cures and you don't have anything backing out. Oh, my glasses have fallen way down. And I do like Loctite, but whatever thread locker of your choice is. And if you want to mess with the liquid, you can for sure. For sure. A couple things that I am noticing right away, whereas the plastic, you do, run the risk of that breaking potentially. I have run many hundreds of rounds and have carried for, a couple years now and have had no issues at all. So, I say that as it could potentially, but I would say that I I trust the titanium more than I do the plastic. Now, they have fiberglass reinforce, and they have all kinds of options out there that are probably really strong. I need to go get my inch-pound torque bit real quick before I finish, just to make sure. But what I was going to say, one thing that I noticed about this plate is they actually have it curved to fit the sight exactly, whereas the old plate, the edges stuck out. Now, it wasn't really an issue for me. I never really noticed it. No problems with it. All right. So far, I really like the way that it kind of molds to it. Doesn't add any height. I can still co-witness my factory sights to my optic. And just to clean everything down really good. Yeah, that's super clear. Nice. So I definitely can recommend the BPP titanium mounting plate for your optics, guys. I really like the way that it fits, and I will do a long-term update on how it performs after I do, a few hundred rounds off of it. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I'll be happy to try to answer that for you down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, like would be appreciated. If you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. That's it for me today. Love you guys. I'm out of here. Catch you on the next one. Goodbye.